Shivute says the modus operandi of the scam is mainly to change the tax profile of an individual from a normal to a provisional taxpayer, which makes one eligible for a refund as they normally submit claims from multiple sources of income, such as farming. A revised tax return is subsequently submitted with inflated claims, which then results in huge refunds to such a taxpayer, the Commissioner revealed. Shivute also pointed out that payments are processed relatively fast, saying although the kingpins and the architects of the scheme are unknown, elements of an inside job involving employees of the tax authority cannot be ruled out.
I want to appeal to the conscience of those who have benefited from this, that the right thing to do is for them to come forward and help the investigation so that they expose the true mastermind of this fraud. Because there is no way to run. Because what had happened is that in accordance with our tax statute, we do have the power to recover from third party, because these individuals who have benefited from this, they are working individuals. So we could still go to their employers and request that the employer pay that money of the state back to the state. And even in case if they decide to resign, before anyone resign or retire, one still need a tax directive. So they just need to come out and make arrangement to repay that money while the administrative and criminal investigation are progressing.
No cent from the fraudulent payments, which they suspect started before the establishment of the new tax agency, has been recovered. NAMRA has now announced an immediate moratorium on payment of tax refunds to provisional taxpayers for a period of 3 months until the 30th of June. Refunds for value-added tax and individual taxpayers will not be affected by the moratorium.
As a mitigating measure, the processing of all tax refund claims for individual provisional taxpayer will be halted or will be stopped with immediate effect until the 30th of June 2022. And that is really the message, that we're going to stop with the refund so that we can put together a team that will then determine the full extent of this scam and its real impact on the public purse. Tax refunds claims in respect of other tax types such as individual taxpayers and VAT, that shall not be affected. But we do believe that after 3 months, we should be in a position to determine the extent of this fraud, the amount involved, the individual involved as well.
The tax authority has since paid out $7 billion in tax refunds since April last year. Kaipa Herikanji, NBC News, Windhoek.